Bonjour! Pasta is one of the most loved comfort food. But what if it could boost your energy instead of putting you to sleep? You know what I mean, right? After a big dish of pasta, sometimes you just feel tired. Today I'm teaching you how to swap the grains for the fresh and vibrant zucchini and butternut squash noodles. I will also teach you homemade sauces that are 100% unprocessed, so no additive and things like that. From garden to plate, this is how you can enjoy your pasta and fuel your body with pure nutrients. Let's do it. First, we'll start with our basic sauce. 150 grams of water, 70 grams of the beans. It could be, as long as it's a bean that is a light color. Onion is, put it on the side so I don't have to go in and fetch the onion. So yes, tahini, that is raw, not roasted. It will totally change the taste. And we add 12 grams, so 262. The lemon juice that you pressed yourself, remember, 272. Dijon mustard, the one I prefer is this one, 𝗵𝗲𝘆𝘆𝗶𝗋, 4 grams of that. So we are at 276. Garlic is 2 grams. Let's put it on the side. That's a perfect little one. You love that, don't we? Half a teaspoon of rosemary, 1/8 of a teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon of the sea moss. So that's our basic sauce. Excellent. Now, what I have here with me is the salsa. Remember, we did the salsa. I have marinated mushroom that is also in one of the classes that I taught you. Let's say you want to have your sauce that is, you know, just nice and spicy a little bit. So what do? So we'll take 100 grams of the bechamel and I will add 30 grams of the salsa. Excellent. Let's have a taste. That is absolutely awesome. The next one, so 100 grams. There we are. And this time we'll add marinated mushroom. So that makes it like a stroganoff sauce. And I will add 40 grams of the marinated mushroom. Let's see. I think this is gonna be fabulous. Let's see. Oh, it's so nice. Oh, it's so nice. So nice. And the carrots, I'll put the link in the description. You add the carrots to the sauce and then it turns like a mac and cheese color sauce. So you can trick your children with that. And now we'll do the marinara sauce. Easy, of course, it has to be. So we start with 100 grams of tomato. And I have cherry tomatoes here. It can be a regular tomato, Roma tomato. 40 grams of pepper. If you do yellow, your sauce is going to be lighter in color. 25 grams of the sun-dried tomatoes. So we are at 165. Half a teaspoon of dried basil. Half a teaspoon of oregano. Half a teaspoon of thyme. A pinch of salt. Pinch of cayenne, and the sea moss. If you warm up the sauce, add the sea moss after. I don't warm it up. I'm rough with this, right? And we blend. It's ready. And there is our marinara sauce. So now we have 3 different sauces. Well, 4 if you keep the base sauces as is. So now I teach you how to make the noodles. Let's start with the buttered squash. We cut the end. Remember, you just rock the butternut, it's easier. Then cut down here before the seed. The seeds are here. And then we peel. I have a great little peeler here, and I will put the name in the description. Now you peel all the way. You can see now there's more of the orange. Go harder to hold on to because it's slippery. There. Oh, that's a great way. There you go. Why not? Whoops, I say that and then it slips off my hands. Oh my gosh. And to do the noodles, taking your Spiralizer. I like this one. It's a Lagostina. And then, there we go. So you see, much faster than cooking pasta, isn't it? So that's really an inexpensive way of making pasta as well. Fast, inexpensive. Oh my gosh, look at those beautiful pasta. This is my workbench. I wash and sanitize it all before I use it, so don't worry if you see me using my workbench this way. Now the next I want to show you is with a zucchini. I'll cut this end first and I'll measure up what I need here, and same thing, we just put it in like this and like this, and then I'm just going to use this again so it doesn't move, and there we go. See? You can definitely have your child help you do that. So we have our pasta, and then the next one I'll just take out, you see that's the little knife, and I will show you the ribbon pasta. Look at that. You can play with that to put in salads as well. Now that we have all our pasta and we have our sauces, I will start with, this is a basic sauce with the pico de gallo. So we'll put some at the bottom of the dish here. And I will take some of the pasta, and yes, you will need scissors because it's a never-ending pasta, right? And then we can add some sauce to it, and we have our salsa here as well that is so colorful. Here I have some pea shoots. This is so pretty. There, it is so pretty. So this is one. The next one, so with the marinara, I'll do the same thing. I'll put some here at the bottom of my plate. And I'll use a ribbon pasta this time. We have some orange diced confetti peppers. And we'll finish it off with hemp hearts. Look at that beautiful plate. And then the last one, we'll do the stroganoff. I will put some noodle in the dish here, in the bowl. This time, we will put the sauce on the noodles. So cover the noodles with the sauce. And you know, if you peel the zucchini, your pasta will just be all white. Remember though that there's more nutrients in the peel. Okay, and then again, let's put some sauce on top. I have some beautiful bright color tomatoes here. So I'll slice them in 4. I love color. So I will always add some touches of color. I have here some fresh basil. Oh, another beautiful dish. I clear the table a little bit so you can see. You can see those dishes. Look. And I added some burger bites to this one. And you can add the burger bites in the sauce in the other one. But remember too, you have the beans in the basic sauce. That's also protein. So for sure, you have your protein, you have your nutrients, you have your vitamins, you got everything. This is a perfect dish. And as you can see, you can just put different noodles on the table, different topic, different sauces, and then everyone at the table can assemble as they like. And it's fun to do with friends. Always bring friends at the table. See you in the next one. Love food that loves you back.